So, I've got this broken part here, and I'm going to show you the way that I've fixed things like this in the past. Well, not fixed, but made work for a while longer. You just take it and wrap it in some fishing line, and then coat it in Superglue, and it becomes a permanent repair. So I'm just making a little slip knot here. And get something started. And then you just wrap it around nice and tight. This is 110-pound test fishing line I use in other projects. And it will definitely do the job. And that is that. So you hold it tight and break out the super glue. Okay, I gotta let go. And the super glue will wick into the fibers and lock everything in place. And put way too much on. A piece of paper towel, wipe it off. Or it'll take forever to cure. Okay. And it should cure in a couple seconds. This is the leg off of my vacuum cleaner. As I was rolling it across the floor, it snapped off, and well, that's it. Now it's rock hard. I don't know, it's something about the wicking into the fibers locks it, or like makes the super glue work really fast. So you didn't see this kitchen knife? Okay, and that's that. Hope you enjoyed.